So what you need to do is convert it to MP4, and in order to do that, only thing you need to do is download VLC Media Player, which you may have seen. It's an open source software that's free. You never have to pay for it. It takes 5 minutes to download. It looks like a little orange cone. Just go to Google and type in VLC Media Player download. It'll be the first one that comes up. Once you download it, open it up, it'll look like this. Click on Media on the upper left here. Then from Media, what I want you to do, it'll slide down. I want you to click Convert and Save right here. And then from Convert and Save, you need to add the video you need to convert. So you just click Add, and you're going to find it on your computer. So in my situation, it's under Desktop, and this is the file I need to convert. Just go ahead and click it. And then after you click it, you want to click Save. And then from here, the only thing that you have to do is click Convert, Save. And then when it comes here, make sure that this is selected Convert. Choose the profile. I always choose Video H.264 MP3 and MP4 in columns. Alright, select that. And then what you're going to do is click on this little wrench here. And it'll take you to this. Click on Audio Codec. And then make sure the audio and keep original audio track are check marked. Click Save. Then choose the destination where you want to upload the file to. So click Browse. And then you want to show where on your computer you want to save it to. I want to go back to Desktop and save it here. And right here I want to change the name. And so for example, if I'm changing the name of the movie to New Movie, what I want to do is I want to, at the very end, I want to type .mp4 before saving. And that'll help put it into MP4 format. And then I click Save. And then I'm going to click Start. And so you'll see the progress going on your VLC. And when it's done, it's done. You know, 5-minute video could take anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes. But you'll see the progress going. And so that's a good way to convert your files. One reason this happens is because a lot of the newer phones have better video quality, so they have it more compact. And so when you download it onto a computer, it's not in the MP4 format. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what software that you're using, or what application that you're using it on that you're having difficulty with. Alright, thanks again.